Getting rich sounds complicated. People think you need to win the lottery, inherit money, or already be rich to get richer. But the truth? Getting rich is actually simple if you follow the right steps. This video breaks down the 12 simple rules of wealth, things that rich people do that most people ignore. By the end, you'll realize that getting rich isn't magic, it's math. Let's go. Most people trade time for money. Rich people don't. Here's the simple formula for wealth. Income minus expenses equals what you can invest. Most people think they need to make more money, but the truth is, if you don't control expenses, even a $100,000 salary won't make you rich. Getting rich starts with increasing the gap between what you make and what you keep, and using that gap to grow wealth. Here's something shocking. Most millionaires don't have high salaries. What they have is assets. What's an asset? Something that makes you money while you sleep. Investments, real estate, businesses. Poor people focus on earning a paycheck. Rich people focus on owning things that grow in value. Want to get rich? Stop thinking like a worker. Start thinking like an owner. Saving money is good, but saving alone won't make you rich. Why? Because inflation eats your money. If you save $10,000 today, in 10 years, it might only be worth $7,000 in buying power. The rich don't just save, they invest. They put their money in stocks, real estate, and businesses that grow over time. Money sitting in a bank account is losing value. Money invested is working for you 24/7. There are only 3 ways to get rich. Pick one or all 3. 1. Investing, stocks, real estate, crypto, index funds. 2. Starting a business, owning something that generates cash flow. 3rd, high-income skill, becoming so valuable it's something that people pay you a fortune. Most millionaires built wealth using at least one of these 3 paths. Which one will you pick? Ever wonder why rich people never feel broke even when they invest everything? It's because of the invisible money rule. They don't see their money as spendable. They automate investing so money moves to assets before they even touch it. If you want to be rich, treat investing like a non-negotiable bill. Not something you do if there's money left. Set up an automatic investment, even if it's small. Future you will thank you. One of the biggest lies about wealth? You need money to make money. Yes, having money helps, but most rich people started with nothing. The secret? Leverage. They used time, skills, or other people's money to grow wealth. You don't need money to start. You need knowledge, skills, and a plan. If I could give you just one wealth-building hack, it's this. Learn a high-income skill. A high-income skill is something that pays at least $10,000 per month when mastered. Examples? Copywriting, coding, sales, video editing, and business consulting. Why does this matter? Because when you can make money on demand, you never worry about being broke again. Want to get rich? Master a skill that people will pay top dollar for. You don't need to be extreme to get rich. The secret? Improve just 1% every day. If you get 1% better every day at making money, saving, investing, or building a business, in 1 year, you'll be 37 times richer. Small changes compound into massive results. That's why rich people focus on small, daily habits, not big, sudden wins. Get 1% richer every day, and you'll be shocked at where you are in a year. The poor work for money. The rich make money work for them. If you trade hours for dollars forever, you're stuck in the rat race. The solution? Build income streams that pay you even when you're not working. The goal isn't to work harder. It's to work smarter so you can eventually stop trading time for money. Getting rich isn't about quick money. It's about what you do for the next 5 years. Every rich person I know followed this formula. Master a skill, build an income source, invest aggressively, repeat. If you focus just 5 years on learning, earning, and investing, you'll be way ahead of 99% of people. The problem? Most people want results in 5 weeks, but wealth is built over 5 years. Most people get a raise, then immediately spend more. This is called lifestyle creep. That's why many people making 6 figures are still broke. They increase their spending as fast as their income. Rich people do the opposite. They keep their lifestyle modest and invest the difference. Control lifestyle creep, and you'll build wealth 10 times faster. Getting rich isn't about luck, working 100-hour weeks, or waiting for the perfect opportunity. It's about following simple, repeatable rules, earning more, keeping more, and growing what you keep. Most people overcomplicate wealth, but the ones who succeed, they keep it simple and take action. Because at the end of the day, getting rich is simple, actually.